welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about string concatenation. So we already know about string data type. So strings are used to store text or characters. So for example, you need to store the name of a person. So we can do it with the help of string data type. So I can declare here inside a main method, string is a data type. Let's say the name of variable is name, and here we need to provide the value in double quotes, and let's say the name is John, end it with a semicolon, and after that we can print our name cout, and let's say we can say your name is, and then we can have here the value of name, and after that we will say NL. Okay, now if I save this code, try to run it, so I'm getting your name is John. So in this way we can assign the value to a string data type. Now I need to do string concatenation. So the plus operator can be used between strings to add them together to make a new string. Let's say you have two different strings and you need to combine them. So we can combine them with the help of plus operator, and that process is called as concatenation. Now let me show you in the demo. Let's say if I change the variable name here, let's say instead of name I say here first name. So this is the first name, which is John, and after that I declare one more string here, string, it says last name, and let's provide a name here. So let's say name is Roy. Okay, so we have two variables of string type, first name which is having the value John, last name which is having the value Roy, and now I need to print the full name. So if I say your full name is, okay, full name is, now I need to combine that. So how I can combine that? With the help of plus operator. So I can combine first name plus last name, and this can produce a new string, right? So this result I will store in the different variable of type string. So I will say a string, let's say full name, which is a combination of first name plus last name, end it with semicolon, and here instead of name now I will print full name. Okay, now let's run this code and try to see the output here, what we are getting. So full name is John Roy. Okay, so we are getting the new string which is the full name, and we have combined the two strings here, first name and last name. Let's say I want the space between the first name and last name, so we can add that again. Here in the concatenation, before adding to the last name, I will first add a space and then I will add a last name. So what it is doing now, it is printing first name, then space, then the last name. So if I check the code now, so see we are getting here John Roy. So here the important is plus operator. So in arithmetic operators we have seen the plus operator is used to add the numbers also. So let me remove the code here, and let's say I have two integer values. So let's say int x is equal to 2, int y is equal to 3. Okay, and instead of full name I'm just printing here result is, and let's have the result variable. So I will say here int result is equal to x plus y, and here we will just print the result. So here, as the data types are integer, it will not concatenate them, it will not join them, means the result will be not 2 plus 3 23, it will not print, it will print 2 plus 3 5, right? If I run this code and check the output, I'm getting a result is 5. But if I change it to a string, so instead of int I say a string. Okay, let me copy this string data type, string, and also the result will be string, and now I need to pass these two inside double quotes, right, to a string data type. So 2 and 3, now these are not the integer values, these are a string. So 2 and 3, so what will be the output here, whether it will be 5 or something different? Let's check that. If I run code, so I'm getting here the result is 23, because it added this two string, it is not considering them as the number but as a string. Now, if I try to add a number to a string, what will happen? Let's say this is a int x. Instead of string, I say here int. Now this is a number, so I need to remove the double quotes here. Okay. So this is the integer value. This is a string value, and I'm adding the result inside a string x plus y. So I'm getting here an error. So what does it says? No operator plus matches this operands, because we are trying to add the integer plus string, so that will not work.